Lord. Oh, that better day. Hi, good afternoon, good evening. Don't be alarmed. I had total knee replacement. It's something, but I had to go ahead and do it. I won't be getting the other one done like I thought. Just be this one. All right. Gary, have you already explained to everybody about the advice and waiver rights form? Okay. Guess maybe I don't need it. It's cold in here. Huh? Yeah, I'm ready.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the municipal court bid at Albany Municipal. Let me get you to raise your right hand so I can swear you on this court this evening. You swear I promise the testimony given in this court this evening will be the truth and nothing but the truth. Thank you, Lord, in your hands. Before we do get started, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that cell phone doesn't have, you know, vibrate or silent mode. Don't want to silent your phone, please turn it off. Your mail actually do that. Thank you. Young folks, when y'all come to the podium tonight, I want you to answer the judge one or two ways. Yes, Your Honor, or no, Your Honor, or yes, no. Okay? Thank you, Judge.
All right. Who do we have first, Mr. Lamar?
James Bennett. This is a under 21 case, no contest, improper lane change.
All right. Now, do we have any under 21s that we're referring to the under 21 program or they don't qualify?
Just about everybody qualified.
Okay. Well, has the form been filled out? Well, let me take a look at it.
We do have two people who have already completed driving and their certificates.
Okay. All right, James, you understand what you need to do in order to have the citation dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You'll have a $50 dismissal fee, so the total amount will be $170. Oh, I do not like this pen. Got another one. This one is blue. No, that one is blue, but you know. Oh, I like this one, Mr. Lamar. Might keep this. I might have to keep it, Gary. All right. All right, next we have Asia Harris. Asia?
Hi.
Hi, why were you going so fast?
There's no excuse.
53 in a 25-mile-per-hour school zone. Is this your first citation? Uh-oh.
Down here.
Let me see her driving history. Where did you have another one? I don't see anything.
Back at home in Atlanta.
What were you charged with?
A super speeder. It was before I got my license.
Okay, and now you gotta have your license and you got another super speeder. How fast were you going in Atlanta?
I honestly don't remember. It was like 3.5 years ago. Maybe like 80 something.
What do you do every day?
Go to school
You're a student where?
at Albany State.
What year? Student.
I'm a sophomore.
Your parents know you got this ticket?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
What they say about, huh? Oh, come on up, Mom. Come on up. I didn't see you over there. What's going on with us driving so fast? I mean, I have one of them too in my life. It's quite frustrating.
I mean, we talked, and she knows better. So this is what it's come down to.
Are you working anywhere?
No,
So your mom's gonna have to pay your fine. Now that's
Yes.
so unfair.
it is.
What's our fine for this? Hmm? Did you hear that?
I'm sorry.
Is she still driving?
She doesn't have a vehicle herself.
Okay.
Just driving, every now and again if someone loans a vehicle.
Okay. Was this someone else's vehicle when you got stuck?
Yes.
I don't want your mama to have to pay $400. And how much? What is your class schedule like?
Um, Mondays and Wednesdays, I have an 11 a.m. to 12:15 on West Campus, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have. Sorry, scratch that. Mondays and Wednesdays, I have a 3:30 to 4:45 on East Campus,
Mhm.
and then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have 11 a.m. to 12:15 on West, and a 3:30 to 4:45 on East, and no class on Friday.
So no class on Friday. Monday and Wednesday, you don't have class until what time?
3:30.
All right. You'll pay a $40 a month supervision fee. It's just going to be a $100 dismissal fee. So it'll be a total of $220. You're going to have to complete defensive driving school. And you're going to have to complete 30 hours of community service.
Okay.
I think that's better than making your mom pay $400.
Thank you.
All right. You need to slow down, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
You understand?
Let's see, Xavier Pitts. All right, do you have any questions about what you need to do?
Just where I need to email the defensive driving certificate.
Oh, you already have yours?
No, ma'am, but like when I'm done.
Okay, you'll actually be speaking with the pretrial services officer over here, and you'll turn everything in
Yes, Your Honor.
to her, as well as the insurance claim settlement letter. And you'll pay, it's $40 a month and a $50 court dismissal fee for a total of $170. And once you've complied with everything, the citation will be dismissed, so it won't be on your record, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All
Thank you.
right. Let's see. Jedi Jefferson, did I pronounce that correct? Jada? I started to say Jada. All right. Jada, do you have any questions about what you need to do?
Um,
I get, well, actually, yes, I do.
Okay.
What am I doing?
If you would like to have this citation dismissed, you can participate in the under 21 program. You have to complete a defensive driving school course. You'll receive information about that. Each month that you're on pretrial, you'll have a $40 a month supervision fee, and you have to pay a $50 dismissal fee. So the total amount you would pay is $170. And you have to get a letter from your insurance company stating either that no claim was filed, or if a claim was filed, we need a letter that states that your insurance company is handling the claim. Once you've completed all of that, the citation will be dismissed, so it will not be on your driving history.
So if I already completed a driver's course, then I don't have to pay that 40.
Did you complete the driver course after you received this accident, or was it one that you completed before?
No.
Got to do it again. What happened in the accident?
I was just talking to them about this. I was turning right into Dollar General, which I feel like I'm still not in the wrong. I was in the middle and I was turning right into Dollar General and between two lights. So when the road's clear, I was able to turn right from the median, and the light had changed, and I was already in Dollar General. I don't even know how they hit me, but they hit me from the back of the car, and the police basically told me, well, if I was never turning, then we would have never got into a wreck. So they gave me the ticket.
Okay, let me see it. Vehicle one in a central turning lane. Did you turn from the center lane?
I did, yeah. Well, from the median, no, I went from no. They told me I was supposed to go from I merged over, and then I merged over again. Dollar General was literally like a clear shot from the middle, but I got over between the lights. From my understanding, they told me I was supposed to yield, which I did because I went when no cars was right there. I don't even know where her car came from. That's why I'm thinking like maybe she didn't see me. Maybe she looked down for a second and didn't have enough time to brake, but she still hit me.
Yeah. It says that you attempted to turn into Dollar General from the central turn lane.
But even from the camera footage and all of that, like it was clear before, sorry, it was clear before I turned.
Well, that means okay. The person traveling up Dawson Road had the right of way.
They was at the red light. I was
Okay.
already in the middle of turning before the red light.
All right. And when the light changes green, they have the right of way, meaning they don't have to yield to anybody because they have the right of way. It looks like you probably misjudged the distance. Would you like to have a trial?
It's okay. I'll take you. I was just explaining to you what happened.
Okay. I'm just trying to explain to you why you were at fault. You understand? Yeah, that's what I saw. Have you seen the picture?
No.
Would you like to see the picture? Come up here and take a look at it. See? They showed that this is where you were and you attempted to go all the way over here from the center turn lane. You seen the red cap and you were already here. Calm down. Have you had another accident? This your first time? Calm down. Baby, why are you calm? Come around here. All right, Jada, I am going to continue your case for 30 days. And we'll make sure you bring that insurance claim settlement letter. So just come up here. She's going to give you your return court date, and we're going to be downtown at the law enforcement center. For that, okay? All right, I have one additional announcement for court. No crying, anybody. Nobody. No more tears, please. I know it. Good Lord. Calm down. All right. Matthew Thomas Nowicki.
This is one he's already completed his driving.
Okay.
Should be under 15.
All right. Got, well, this is the form. Where's the,
The next back. Right here.
oh, let me get a, we have a stapler? I don't want, do we have a stapler anywhere? I don't want it to get misplaced. All right, so you've already completed defensive driving school, so all you have left to do is a $40 a month, a $50 dismissal fee. It'll be a total of $170, and you need to get an insurance claim settlement letter. And once you've done all of that, the citation will be dismissed, okay?
Yes, yes, Your
All
Honor.
right, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, just have a seat, and they will call you up shortly. Okay, that's okay. I'll just gotta make sure you don't get misplaced. Okay. All right. Amaya Burnett. All right, Amaya, who's in court with you today?
Nobody.
Why do you drive so fast?
I'm from Missouri. Columbia is like 13 hours away. I have Crohn's disease, so I have to get infusions every 6 weeks. And I had class at 12:30 to 2, and I had to leave by 2 on the dot to make it to the airport. My flight was at 5:30, and I didn't make the time cut. So when I was leaving my class, my dorm, I was speeding trying to make it to the airport.
Did you make it to the airport?
I did not make
I
it to the
didn't
airport.
think you did.
I did not make it.
Is this the first time you received a citation?
Yes.
What did you learn from this experience?
Probably to choose one, either class or the airport.
Exactly. And I'm sure if you had talked to your professor ahead of time and let him know what the situation.
I tried. He wasn't very
wasn't what?
forgiving. He wasn't very forgiving. I asked him to let me go a little earlier so I could try to make it.
Oh, you asked him the day of class?
No, I asked him before. I gave him my note and everything.
And what
I
did he say?
have a 504 plan that
Mhm.
shows I have the disease, so I have to be gone.
Mhm.
He just he's a really old school teacher, so he wasn't fighting for it.
Well, have you had any other issues?
No.
Okay, 'cause you can always go over his head if you have something going on.
Yeah.
And he does not give you the leeway that you need.
Mhm.
He's got a boss too, you know. All right, well, are you gonna have to pay this ticket?
Yes.
Are you working anywhere?
No. I have a savings account though. I'm getting an apartment soon, so I have a good chunk of money in there.
Good chunk of money, and you're gonna have to spend it on the speed ticket.
Yes. Consequences of my actions.
Yeah, okay. Well, what I'm going to do, because this is a super speeder that will suspend your license, you're aware of that, right? I'm just gonna do the same thing with everybody that I'm doing with everybody else. $40 a month for supervision, $50 for the court dismissal fee, for a total of $170, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Cutting your break. Slow it down.
Okay.
Let's see. Raven Baker. Let's see that. Yes, go.
This was cash bond, Your Honor.
Okay, how much?
126.88.
It's also a failure to appear. Did you
Yes, Your Honor.
post that amount? What was the total amount that was paid? So she didn't pay for the contempt? How'd that happen? Okay, but okay.
She posted bond at the initial arrest.
Oh, this is one that's a mandatory court appearance.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, when was the court date? Okay, Ms. Baker, you're 28, have 13 years of education,
Yes, ma'am.
understand your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Any questions at all about your rights?
No, ma'am.
Okay, why'd you miss your original court date on November 17th?
It was an honest day of, I thought it was the 18th. So I went to court on the 18th and they told me it was the day before.
Because we didn't have court
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the 18th. All righty then. I will suspend the fine on the failure to appear. What's going on now? Okay, has there been any context since all of this?
No, ma'am.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am. I couldn't cut that off. That's all, everything.
What do you do?
I'm a correctional officer at Lee State Prison.
They know you carrying on like this?
I don't carry on like that.
Well, do they know you were carrying
Oh,
on?
yes, ma'am. I reported as soon as I got out that next morning.
What did they say?
But my warden, I'll tell you what she said. My warden just told me to make better choices and get my act together.
I need you to get your act together, all right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna forfeit the cash bond, we're gonna keep it on. But I will dismiss this, so it will not be on there.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Bye. I didn't read what happened. I know I'm gonna read it out, but I ain't gonna do that to you today. All that foolishness. Okay, bye. All right, let's see, Shania Harris. All right, Shania,
Hi.
how you doing? Now, Shania, why did you miss your court date?
So I moved out my father's house
You
and
moved out of what?
my father's house,
Okay,
and I moved with her,
and her
And-
is,
my auntie.
okay.
And my father did not let me know that I had court. I thought I just had to pay the ticket by the time it was due. So yeah,
Well, I'm about to get all in your business. Why'd you move out of your father's house?
because his house is not suitable for me. He doesn't really know how to be a dad, and it's not a good environment. So it was kind of abrupt. So I didn't get to change my information as far as my address and all that.
Okay.
So yeah,
Well, how things going with Auntie?
they're going good.
Doing well? All right. Is her daddy your brother or? Okay.
Her dad, this is my brother's daughter.
Okay.
Well, her dad is not my brother. Her was
She's saying my granddaddy is her brother. This is my auntie on my mama's side.
Okay, I'm with you. Okay, getting a little confused. All right. Do you understand what you need to do for this under 21 program in order to have your citations dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, it's going to be the same thing as everybody else. $50 dismissal fee. It'll be a total of $170. Defensive driving school, insurance claim letter, and once you do that, the citation will be dismissed, so it won't be on your record. What do you do every day?
I go to school and work
Where you go to school?
tomorrow.
All right, then. Yes, sir. Ornate. The best school in the world. All right. Travis Lavelle Price Jr. That name sounds very, very familiar. Is there a Travis Lavelle Price Sr. somewhere around here? Have you remember my name?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you were probably too young. Is he still gone away?
Yes, ma'am.
I remember Travis. Just wouldn't listen to me. I was his lawyer.
Mm.
Okay. All right. Were you in an accident?
No, ma'am.
You put not guilty and no contest. Were you just not really sure what you wanted to do?
No contest.
Okay, well, do you want to complete this under 21 program to keep this off your record, or you just want to pay the fine and be done?
How much the fine is?
Well, the fine by itself is $93.20, and you have a failure to appear, which would make it $193.20. But if you want to,
He's also done the defensive driving.
But those,
he's done it before.
They're in the package.
Okay, so he's completed that. So it's just where you work? You work?
yes, ma'am.
Where you work?
Terzo.
I'm sorry.
Terzo. Terzo Enterprises.
What is that?
Like a pallet place.
Okay.
It used to be called Chip. Something like that.
All right. Is that in town or somewhere else?
It's on the side.
Okay. And how long you been doing that?
Like 2 years, 3 years.
Do you plan? You graduate from high school?
Yes, ma'am.
You plan on trying to go back to school to do anything else?
To school?
Yeah. What's your plan?
I might go get a little trade.
Well, you can go to school to get a trade.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you thought about what you might want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Heavy equipment operator.
Can y'all talk to him and see if Albany Tech offices? Okay, I'm gonna have you go back and talk to him first before I figure out what we're gonna do with you. Journey Irby. Hi, Journey, you're 19. And, okay, you graduated from high school,
Yes, ma'am.
in college now? Or what?
I took a pause on that. But I'm getting back in there shortly.
Why did you take a pause on it?
My mom, she had breast cancer, so I was taking care of her.
Okay.
Most of the time she had moved, so now I can start back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mom here?
Not at
with
all.
you today?
My friend's here though.
Okay. All right. So what do you plan on doing?
Right now I'm in a 6 month tattooing program. So when I get done with that, I
What
can
kind of program?
tattooing, so I can start tattoos.
Oh, tattoo.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
where are you taking that up?
It's a shop on Broad Avenue. He does my tattoos, so I'm under him until I get my own license. So I can start doing it professionally.
Okay, Daisha. No. No more. No more.
Book with me. Book with me.
Lord. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Then what else?
I do want to go back to school for psychology and cosmetology on the side because I do hair outside of me working also.
Okay, so how many hours are you working at the tattoo?
Well, it's more so me coming in the morning, so I say probably like 3 hours. Then I gotta go to my real job
What's
at
your real
work,
job?
Longhorn. I serve there.
What is going on with the food at Longhorn lately?
Well, the cooks be calling out, and the cooks be getting lazy, and we just got a lot of people who don't got brains that work there. That's really what it is. Am I right?
The
Am I right?
last couple of times, my food has been horrible.
Have you ate with me before? Have you ate with me before?
No.
That's your problem.
That's it.
That's your problem.
I
That's
did.
your problem.
I had. Oh, it was horrible. I did some takeout. It just was not good.
I'm sorry about that.
Huh? Uh-huh. Just.
It was just going bad. It was just going bad.
Ooh,
You gotta
okay.
come eat with me. Then you'll be okay.
Okay, so are you working full? I'm trying to figure out, do we need to get you in Albany Tech to get some on the road to these cosmetology classes since you took a pause? I'm ready for you to unpause.
You can.
Okay.
Do I gotta pay for it?
Just don't know. We don't know. They got people here to talk to you about all the opportunities. So have a seat.
Okay.
We're gonna have someone from Albany Tech talk to you about the cosmetology program and see if it can fit into what you got going on right now. I need you to get on track.
Okay.
Have a seat.
What's that?
We'll talk to you in a minute. Is that everybody?
Yes, Sean.
Okay, Travis, what did he tell you?
I told him to go
Hold on, baby. I couldn't hear you. Say that again.
He told me to he was gonna send me some information, and I could go on this and see which ones I want to do, like what class I have to take.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to do that now. Am I gonna have to have you come back in front of me just to verify that you followed through?
No, ma'am. I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I did them classes for some whole other tickets.
Okay. How many tickets have you? Wait a minute. You had a D. No, this says points reduction. But you went through the DUI class.
Uh,
It just says driving certificate improvement, but did you get a ticket somewhere else or?
no, I got it here.
Let's pull them up. Let's see what we got. Why did they have Travis Davis on here?
I don't know.
No, that's different on your.
That's why I brought both of them.
Okay. They messed your certificate up. Well. I don't see anything on there. Go just look through our um, document to see if he has anything else. All right, so you completed defensive driving school. That's it. When do you think you got another ticket?
Uh, this was like um, it was a one for I had one for suspended insurance, and I had a super speeder.
And it was here in Albany?
Yes, ma'am.
How long ago did you get it?
It was like, let's say, a month ago.
What agency stopped you?
I guess it was the sheriff.
Ah, that's got to go to state court.
Okay.
And you said no insurance?
Yeah, it was no insurance in the super speeder.
Both of those tickets will suspend your driver's license, so you make sure.
I know it. That's why I did those classes.
Okay,
When I had went to the little court, she told me to do those because if I don't, and plead not guilty, because if I don't, they're gonna take my license.
okay, have you already been to state court yet, or you hadn't?
Yes, ma'am. She told me to take those classes.
Okay,
And
yeah.
yeah.
Let me give this back, so you can give that to them in state court, that's more important than our little stop sign ticket.
Okay.
This is what I'm gonna do. I am not gonna put you on this program. However, I'm gonna suspend the fine on the failure to appear. I'll accept a no contest plea on the stop sign violation. And I'm gonna suspend that fine as well, with a no insurance and super speeder in another court, that's gonna take you down on your money. However, I'm gonna reschedule you for 45 days because I want you to come and let me know what you've done to get enrolled in that program. Sorry, I don't trust that you're gonna do it without me checking on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Update. Albany Tech. What program did you say you were interested in? Heavy equipment.
Heavy equipment operator.
All right, that's what I need for you to do. All right. Have you finished talking to them, Journey? Okay, get up here, let me tell you what they said. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't do that to you. Come up here and tell me what they said,
So they basically said just call this number right here and talk to them. That's how they said. So it's literally how they said. That's how they said.
All right, I'm gonna let you do the under 21 program
Thank
to
you.
keep this off your record. There'll be a $50 dismissal fee for a total of $170. And I'm also going to reschedule you to come back in front of me in 45 days for an update on what you've done to try to get enrolled in the program here at Albany Tech.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, ma'am.
What's it?
So with me coming back 45 days, right? If I gotta come back in this room.
No, we'll be downtown at the court. Our courthouse is courtroom is at the Law Enforcement Center, the police department, across from the Civic Center.
Okay.
That's where we have court.
And that one is mandatory. And what time is it exactly?
We start at 8:30.
8:30. Okay.
Is there a particular day of the week that's better for you than others?
Well,
We
I
have
don't
court
know.
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay.
What day would you like to come? Monday, Wednesday, or Friday?
Probably Monday morning.
We'll schedule for on Monday. In about 45 days, all right? Just have a seat.
You said 45 or 45?
45.
Okay.
45. And actually, you need to talk to the lady over here first. We need to have her sign the paperwork. And then, so you have to do two things. You talk to her, then you need to get your return court date. All right? Is that everybody? All right, this is pretty fast. I told you, Joe. Yeah. Yeah, we just kept the money and I just missed it. Bye.